Salve to discipuli. This is Magister Buddy with some tips on how to do Monday's assignment. The title of the assignment is Quid feci heri, facio hodie, et faciam cras. That translates to what I did yesterday, I am doing today, and will do tomorrow. So this is what you are aiming for, minus the notes that are in red. We want you to come up with 3 unique sentences. Each sentence needs to use 2 different vocab words from stage 33. This activity is going to replace a vocab quiz for this stage. Your sentences need to be creative, they need to be unique, and they need to use 2 vocab words. Notice that I have the vocab words in bold, both in the Latin and in the translation down here. Also, the verbs are in the correct tense. Lego is present tense, coniciam is future, celebravi is perfect. Finally, you'll have a picture illustrating your sentence. Now, these sentences don't need to be what you actually did yesterday and what you're actually doing today and will do tomorrow. This one, I actually did celebrate my daughter's 10th birthday the other day, but today I am not reading a book about queens, and tomorrow I will not fiercely throw food at the cook. Please find the slide with your name on it and use that slide. They are in alphabetical order, so it makes it a lot easier for Magistra Drew and I to figure out who has done it. Couple of tips, some tools that you have at your disposal. If you go to Cambridge Elevate, you can scroll down here, click on the dictionary, and if you remember a word in Latin but you're not quite sure what the forms are, the best thing to do is look it up here. You also have at your disposal the English to Latin dictionary, so you can do Control Find or Command Find, depending if you have a PC or an Apple, and maybe you wanted to find the word for angry. There you go. You found the word for angry. So you have access to that. This is a really great tool because let's say you decide that you want to use, and this is another really good tool page for you to look at on the Cambridge Elevate. This is just the web version of the book, and you keep clicking till you get to the end, and here's all of our vocab words. Okay, so let's say I want to use the verb receive, but I'm not completely confident of the form that I need. But I know that the infinitive is excapere. So I go to this website here, which will be linked for you, type in the infinitive, excapere, and this first phrase here, okay, well, excapere didn't work. Let's see, let's try a different one. How about certare? That's actually the first time I haven't been able to find something on there. Really? 2 in a row. All right, let's see. Movere needs to be on there. All right, here we go. Movere, 3rd time's a charm. All right, so here is every possible form of movere that you could need. So if you want to check your work and make sure that you have the correct future form of movere, you can look here, or you want to make sure you have the correct perfect or pluperfect or present, whatever, you can check here. All of these tools will be linked for you on today's assignment. Salve to discipuli.